Welcome back to Barely Built Garage. Today we kind of got a special one. At least I think it's going to be a pretty dope video. Anyway, we're going to be doing a custom cowl hood. Mainly because I'm not spending $400+ on a fiberglass hood for the Boot Scoot and Yukon. That ain't happening. Ain't nobody got money like that. We're broke here at this channel, and we're going to be building some cool shit. From the edge, come here. From the edge to just before where the dip is 1 foot. I copied that measurement exactly on the other side with the old tape measure. And then as far as the back, I kind of just guesstimated what looked good by eye. As you can see here, again, I'm not really getting specific measurements or anything. I'm just kind of showing you how to do it. We're just spitballing here, right? So we got everything laid out. Now we're gonna go ahead and start cutting. I'm not really too worried about this hood. That's got dents. It needs body work. We're just gonna build something cool here. So let's go ahead and get set up, and we'll start cutting. As you can see, I got everything cut, and we're just going to be going ahead and trimming our steel to size. I'm kind of up in the air of how high I want to make it, but I'm probably just going to go off of this right here. One piece is a little bigger than the other, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim them up quick, try to make them the same. I don't have a sheet metal shear or anything like that yet. So we're just gonna make do with what I got. So I got a nice pair of some sharp snips, and this is what I'm gonna be using. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started here. I got the welder set up. I got everything ready to go. So cut this to length. Hopefully I don't step on these metal pieces anytime soon. Hopefully I cut it straight enough. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too shabby. So I'm basically just doing this in sections. Can you get one full piece and do it that way? Yeah, you can. Is the way that I'm doing it, is it right? No, not at all. What I'm doing is I'm just putting it up here, tacking it on the bottom and on the edge, the backside edge on the top. The reason why I'm doing it this way instead of butting it corner to corner is I'm not really trying to put a whole bunch of time into this project, right? This isn't a show car. This is a street car, right? It's just something to screw around with on the weekends. Anyway, so I'm gonna tack it on the bottom, tack it on the top, and then I'm gonna back cut with a cutoff disc, the backside edge. And I'm gonna do it in small sections. I'm gonna do it in only like 3-inch sections. That way I can go back and take a body hammer, tack it, tap it, tack it, tap it. And I'm gonna make the curves, or I'm gonna make the I'm gonna make it that way. I don't know. Don't overthink it. It's not as hard as you think it is. Maybe I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh well, but I'm doing it my way. There's a little bit of a bow right here I gotta cut down. Yeah. It's not bad at all. I will take it. Alright, let's just... Hopefully you guys can see this on the camera. Can you? Yeah, okay. Hopefully. I need to buy some new welding gloves. I'm at 14.5 volts at about 100 wire speed, if that makes any sense. I'm not really using the spot weld feature that this has, because I really don't know a whole bunch about the welder, so I'm kind of just winging it. I'm trying to get as close. Coming along, coming along. What you guys think, huh? She's getting there. She's getting there. Oh, come on. What in the hell? Okay, that was weird. Maybe I don't have a good grinder. There we go. Let's try that. Okay, got all the pieces in place. I'm just gonna go ahead and zip through doing all the spot welds, and then when I come back, we'll be grinding everything down.
you understand that there's only one DJ who I can with
Not
no
too shabby.
you can't beat me because I'm floating my legs.
Now that we got all the metal burnt in, everything spot welded, ground down, we're ready for body work. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be covering any kind of body work as far as putting filler down and smoothing everything out and sanding it in this video. It's going to be a separate video. Hopefully you guys had fun watching me screw around here in the garage for a couple hours and build this. It means a lot. I appreciate all the support, whether you're following me on TikTok, liking, commenting, or sharing any of my videos. It means a lot, and I appreciate all the support. With that being said, I will see you guys on the next one.